Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off activity status on your account on TikTok, easy and quick. First click on your profile icon here. Now click these three lines, click settings and privacy. Now click privacy, and here as you see just click like this and it will be turned off. And that's how to turn off activity status easy and quick on your account on TikTok. And that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and I hope this video is helpful for you. And thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.